Kipchumba Murkomen e kinde romo mar weche arita kwe miluongo ni jukwaa la usalama e kaunti no. Walter Nyambaga nigi ler mar wachni.
Sirikal badelaj. Siasa machano chwalo jonjore koda kambraki marakore kod ji rombe mag siasa e kendo rocho machuowe kod inyruok e kaunti ma Homa Bay sani koro ibiro de kong'ino. Ma bang' jatend migao mar Arita Kipchumba Murkomen e golo siem mager ni plais mar sirikal dingwamo jonjore go.
There is a great understanding among leadership in this area that it is important to have a peaceful environment for campaigning and political competition that is issue-based and that can respect the rights of all the other citizens. We are glad that the security team, where they have found gang members who are carrying machetes and clubs and other crude weapons, that they have been dealt with decisively, and the courts have, the DPP has taken the step to charge them in a court of law. Some have been convicted, some their cases are ongoing.
Mawache kinema Beatrice Masiaguko, maena chich maitudo kod monjo jafambo Abilo Nyango, ne ochwale do kitude kod ketho mag monjo jafambo no, kendo e thuolo kod rambun. Murkomen opoyo gavana ma Homa Bay kuom kawo okang' mar chungo e tich apisa no.
And it was a very unfortunate situation that some of government officials have been implicated at the county level. We appreciate the fact that the governor has taken administrative action. The other enforcement-related actions are ongoing. And as I said earlier, this kind of cooperation is really welcomed when the leaders are recognizing that gangs and goons are not useful for our security and for our development and also for our politics.
Murkomen okonie sama koro yiero madundo chopo kuonde kaka Kasipul, Ugunja, to kod kuonde mamoko. Jore mag wang' teko nyaka koro thiny oko kamineme e kendo rang motegno. Jatend bende ogolo siem ne achudhe maluchore kod mwandu ma ok opuodhi kendo donjo go e thurka koluwo nam lolwe.
On the question of beach, we continue having many challenges, by the way. The BMUs are really helping us. The beach management units are helping us in security operation and manning the lake and so forth. But we also have challenges because those are the areas where contrabands are being brought in, and including drugs. And therefore, what is called harassment sometimes is when the Coast Guards take very stern action.
Romani obagi mageto lwasi magarita kwe moyangore kaka jukwaa la usalama e Homa Bay. Murkomen okonia pedho morido reksa ni koro mederidi ne yedhe momero ji e kendo chiwo siem ne mine machwako ndiwo e bwaura kendo uso ne ji mer manyalo kelo hinyruok ne ngima dhano.
I think that by and large, not just in Homa Bay but across the country, the Kenyan population is extremely supportive of these serious regulations, step towards regulating illicit alcohol and drugs. People are suffering. Families are losing their loved ones. Young people we are getting wasted at a very prime age.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.
Ogai mar obila Douglas Kanja oyango ni en adieri ni mibadhi osebedo